Welcome! In this short educational series, we will guide you through a selection of the core Insight Engine capabilities. Each of the videos in this series will focus on a selected capability. After providing you with an overall understanding of the selected capability, we will foreground three specifics using real-world examples. These are data visualization, result analysis, and result distribution. Now, results can be analysed directly in Squirrel or shared with other applications through Squirrel's APIs. In order to support analysis of the data, it is run through the processing pipeline where it is modelled and enriched. If the data is to be analysed within Squirrel, this is done with the help of various widgets on pre-built or customised dashboards. For data analysis outside of Squirrel, we can rely on Squirrel's SDK, APIs, and easy-to-use export functionality. So let's move on to looking at three specifics. The first specific we will look at is data modelling, in the sense of how can data be visualised. Now, in order to analyse results within Squirrel, data is presented on dashboards. Dashboards can be flexibly built depending on the data and type of analysis being performed. The dashboard editor has a variety of widgets which can also be extended by building custom widgets. Including metadata from the source and enriching the data with custom metadata or keywords also allows filtering and drill down to the relevant data. Using the concept of communities, Squirrel offers an intuitive way for users to follow the data that they are interested in. Let's move on to looking at result analysis. The level of analysis within Squirrel ranges from query, keyword filtering, time selection, to extraction of signals from text data. For example, a user can analyse the resulting signals from undervalue by selecting it on the signal filter. In this example, we immediately see how many articles containing the signal undervalue are found for which company. We can limit the results to a time range on the timeline widget too. If only the results for a specific company are to be analysed, we can drill down to those. If we switch to looking at the analysis of structured data, we can see that Squirrel provides a series of widgets to display the data and support analysis. In an incidence analysis scenario shown here, we see a summary of KPIs on the left of the dashboard. And for example, for an in-depth analysis, the heat map helps identify the incidences concerning a particular application and what business unit is actually affected. On the timeline, we can see the handle times over time for that specific incidence category. So let's end this particular video in highlighting how results can be distributed and made accessible outside of Squirrel. Items and keywords can be exported for analysis outside of Squirrel, either as feed or by export to Excel. Squirrel also offers the capability to extract selected tables from PDF documents and export them to Excel. Searching for ESG shows a number of PDF documents. Selecting the first item and going to page 65, we find an interesting table that we want to extract. Selecting the extraction tool and dragging over the area of the table, we can extract and download the data. Using Squirrel's APIs and SDKs, data can be accessed from outside of Squirrel and also shared with other applications. As an example, we can see that we have integrated our Squirrel Sales Insights app into Salesforce here. You can also do this yourself with help from our documentation, which is accessible on docs.squirrel.com. Now, in this short video, we have highlighted data visualization, result analysis, and distribution. If you want to find out more, then head over to the Squirrel Academy at learn.squirrel.com.